We are in the Seahawks man cave, trying to start our first videos opening packs to share our sweet pulls. Today, we scored some Mosaic from Fred Meyers. 3 pink prism camos. Let's see what we got here, y'all. Okay, sorry for the delay. Pack display. 2 regular packs and the bonus pink camo prisms. So we'll just start over here. First pack. Hoping for something good. Maybe Burrow. First pack. James Conner. Jason Taylor. Kyler Murray. Drew Lock. Touchdown Masters inserts. LaDainian. And the rookie is Javon Kinlaw. Alright, we got pack number 2. We're doing this from a cell phone, unfortunately. GoPro wouldn't work. It needs charge. So we're on a cell phone in the Seahawks room. We got a Seahawk, Tyler Lockett. Stephon Gilmore. Matt Judon. A prism. A green prism parallel. We got Mark Andrews. It's always good to see Patrick Mahomes. He's got game for sure. Nice little Patrick. And Buffalo Bills, Jake Fromm. This would be nice, but Josh Allen's killing it, so it kind of puts him on the back burner. 3 pink camos. Can we get Burrow or Clyde? Someone good. I like Jalen Hurts. Uh-oh. First pink one. We got Odell. I already have this Odell. Aaron Donald. And Tom Brady. So in the Patriots, I don't know how good that is. I mean, it's cool. No rookie, though. So that's the first Mosaic Cello pack. Thank you, guys.